Google just dropped something that is going to change how you get clients. It is brand new, mostly free to start, and almost nobody is using it the right way. This is not just another AI video toy you play with once and forget. What they just built could help literally anyone, no experience required, start offering a creative service that businesses will actually pay real money for. I'm going to walk you through what is new, why it matters, and the exact steps I would take right now to turn this into a service. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do next. Stay with me because this one is different. Hey there, so if you're new here, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. Okay, so let me set the stage. Up until recently, Google had a bunch of separate AI creative tools all floating around on Google Labs doing their own thing. You had Whisk for mashing images together to create a visual style. You had ImageFX for generating images from text. And you had Flow, which was mainly a video generation tool built on their VO model. 3 different apps, 3 different logins, 3 separate workflows. Kind of a mess. Well, on February 25th of 2026, Google basically said enough of this. They merged all 3 into one unified platform and redesigned the whole experience from scratch. This is the new Flow, and it is a bigger deal than most people realize. Let me walk you through what this thing can actually do, because this is where it gets interesting. First, you now have completely free image generation right inside Flow, powered by Google's latest image model called Nano Banana. You type what you want, the image appears, and then you can instantly turn that image into a video clip, all without leaving the app. Then there is the lasso tool. You literally circle any part of your image, type a natural language command, and the AI edits just that area. Remove the car, add a waterfall, swap the background, done in seconds. You can also direct camera movement inside generated videos now. Pans, zooms, cinematic push-ins. You just describe the movement and it executes. And there is a completely rebuilt asset library where you can group everything into collections, tag assets by project, and use the @ symbol to pull specific images directly into a new prompt. Since Flow launched last year, users have already generated over 1.5 billion images and videos. So this is not some tiny experiment. People are all over this thing. Here's where I want to give you a real perspective shift, because the majority of people who find Google Flow are going to use it like a toy. They will generate a cool looking video, post it on their Instagram, get some likes, and move on. Fine if you just want to have fun. But if you actually want to build income from something like this, you need to think like a service provider, not a content consumer. The mistake I see constantly is people using creative AI tools for themselves and never asking who else would pay to have this done. Think about it. A local restaurant owner does not have time to create polished video ads every week. A real estate agent wants cinematic listing videos but cannot afford a production crew. A small brand wants consistent content with the same look and feel but is paying a freelancer way too much for slower results. These are real businesses with real budgets, and most of them have never heard of a tool like this. That gap between what they need and what they currently have access to is exactly where you come in. Let me walk you through how I would actually approach this from scratch. Step 1, pick one niche. Restaurants, real estate, fitness studios, med spas, local service businesses, any business that needs regular visual content is a target. Step 2, build sample work before you contact anyone. Go into Flow and create 5 to 10 polished sample pieces for that niche. A restaurant video ad, a product showcase, a social media intro, make them look professional. It costs you nothing but a few hours of your time. Step 3, lead with results, not a pitch. When you reach out, you are not talking about yourself or your services. You are showing them a finished sample piece and simply asking if it would be useful for their marketing. That is a completely different conversation. One feels pushy, the other feels genuinely helpful. Step 4, package it as a monthly service, not one video at a time. A monthly content package, 8 to 12 short-form pieces per month for a flat fee. Monthly retainers build predictable income instead of starting from zero every time. Real quick before I keep going. If you are getting value from this, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe. And if you are serious about signing AI subscription-based clients and building this into a recurring monthly revenue stream, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training while it is still completely free. I cover my favorite AI tools for getting clients, and I include an exclusive 30-day free trial to the AI software I use to run my entire business. That software alone is worth way more than I am charging for it, which right now is nothing. Link is in the description. Okay, back to it. Here is something most people have completely missed in the new flow, and I think this is the biggest opportunity in the whole update: character consistency. One of the biggest frustrations with AI video tools has always been this. You generate a character in one clip, and in the very next clip, they look like a totally different person. Hair changes, face shifts, it looks amateur. The updated flow is now built to keep your characters consistent across scenes inside a project. Same face, same vibe, same brand look. That is a professionally usable result. Here is the business angle. Think about companies that want a recurring AI-generated brand spokesperson, a consistent face that appears in every ad, every social post, every product demo. You build that character once in Flow and deliver fresh content every month using that same recognizable character. That is a sticky service. Clients do not want to leave a provider when their brand identity is locked into your workflow. Let me be straight with you for a second. I did not quit my job with some big master plan. I got fired, and that was the moment I had to actually figure things out on my own. No safety net, no backup plan, just the need to figure something out fast. Here is what I know looking back. Tools like this existed in rough early versions when I was starting, but what we have access to today, the quality, the ease, the free entry point, I genuinely wish I had had this. If you are wondering whether right now is a good time to build something, it is. The people who start early, while the tools are still new and the competition is still low, are the ones who get ahead. You are watching this for a reason. Here is a quick breakdown of how to access Flow. The free tier gives you 100 credits plus 50 more every day. That includes Nano Banana image generation, VO 3.1 video, and upscaling up to 2K. For anyone building a portfolio and landing a first client or two, the free tier is more than enough. The Google AI Pro plan is $19.99 per month, 1,000 credits, and 1080p upscaling. That is the right tier once you are actively working with clients. The Ultra plan is $249.99 per month, 25,000 credits, and 4K upscaling. That is for serious content volume. Here is the simple math. If you land even one client on a monthly content retainer, your tool costs are already covered. Many times over. You can access everything right now at labs.google/flow. And starting in March of 2026, you can migrate existing Whisk and ImageFX projects directly into Flow, so nothing gets lost. Here is the honest truth about who this works for. You do not need to already have clients. You do not need a portfolio. You do not need a background in video or marketing. You do not need to be technical. What you need is a willingness to learn one tool, pick one niche, and show businesses what you can do. That is the whole model. The people doing well with AI tools right now are not the most experienced. They are the ones who picked a lane, got comfortable, and started showing up consistently for the businesses that needed what the tool could produce. Every restaurant, gym, real estate office, and local service business you walk past is spending money on marketing. Most of them are doing it badly. Outdated content, no real video strategy, inconsistent branding. You now have access to something that can address all of that, and most of them have never even heard of it. Here is the thing about moments like this. They do not stay open indefinitely. The people who recognize early opportunities and move on them are the ones who look back and say they got in at the right time. That window is open right now. That is just the truth. All right, let me wrap this up. Go to labs.google/flow right now. Sign up on the free tier. Spend one afternoon creating sample content for a niche you want to go after. You will immediately see what this tool can produce, and ideas for how to use it will start coming fast. And when you are ready to take the next step, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training for free. I walk through exactly how to structure AI services, how to attract clients who stay on monthly, and you get an exclusive 30-day free trial to the AI platform I use to run my client business. Honestly, it is a better fit for service-based business than most tools I cover in these videos. Thousands of people are already building inside my AI control room community, and I want you in there too. All the links are in the description and pinned in the first comment. If you got something useful from this today, subscribe so you do not miss what is coming next. Drop a comment below and tell me what niche you are thinking about targeting with this. The real Nick reads every single one. Go build something. See you in the next video.